bringing the livestock for consumptions in the state of Meghalaya. We don't have a proper health care center from the government of Meghalaya. But I told them, last 2 years we have received the sanction from the government of India for the construction of the health care center of the livestock. So that is the construction is going on. One is at Narang, Reboy district. One is in Nidanpur in the Gaurav district. So that is under the construction, and we are also telling the department time and again to speed it up, because they have got complaint from not only from the HITO, so many organizations have given the similar complaint regarding the bringing the unhealthy livestock to the state of Meghalaya for the consumptions of the people of Meghalaya. So for that reasons, there are a very quick and very good suggestion just given by HITO and previously with so many organizations in the past to set up our own health check center to check the livestock, the health of the livestock.
So